Alright, what is up everybody? This is Kendrick here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the auto-tune on GarageBand, the best, just the best vocals you could use. Now, if you guys don't know what GarageBand is, it's kind of like FL Studio and all that stuff, and this is only for iOS, because unfortunately I don't have a PC, and I actually make my songs using GarageBand. So, I actually don't use a lot of autotune, or actually, yeah, I do. And most of my songs, I use about, like, 40%, which is, like, around here. You never want to use all the way, like, unless, like, your singing is just absolutely bad. Like, I don't want to say it, like, if you feel like it, go ahead, but, I wouldn't use, this or this. I wouldn't use the chorus or the just straight up auto-tune type. I just use the normal mic, right? And then I wouldn't also push my auto-tune all the way, because you don't need that much auto-tune in your voice, you know what I mean? Once you have this all the way, it's gonna like go up and down. The auto-tune is gonna change your pitch tone up and down, so that's why I don't use full. So I usually use around 60% or 40%. Compressor, you want to just leave all that. Turn on your monitor, right? Your vocal hall, you just leave it, and then your tone, you want your tone to be all the way on the right. I don't know what the difference is, but I feel like sometimes on the right side it gives a little bit more tone to your voice. For example, if I just go hello, it's not working because I'm recording, right? Yeah, usually it would turn on, but anyways, there's that, guys. That's how you add a new recorder. And let's go to advanced settings. So at the top right corner, you'll see this button, the settings button. You click track controls, and make sure you're clicking on your lead vocals crap. I don't know what this is. I'm like I said, but I'm rookie to this shit stuff. And the master effects, that's all up to you guys. I like to just turn it up by a little bit. I know some people like to have it like in the middle for both of them, or just reverb. Jesus, my bad, guys. But I don't like that shit, bruh. It makes it sound like not as good, I guess. And then if you're a melodic type of rapper or singer, did I really just say singer? But if you're a melodic type of rapper, then turn off your overdrive. But if you're like the aggressive, dark, fast type, then you might as well turn on your overdrive. But overdrive just makes it more ear rape. You know what I mean? Like, if you're shouting into your mic and you feel like that's not enough ear rape, then just turn on your overdrive, because why not? Track reverb, I don't know that stuff. Enhanced tune, yeah, leave everything else on. And then you're going to go to your visual EQ. And pull this down to around here. And then move this to 1K and pull it down a little bit. And leave your bass. And then all the way to the right, you want to move the gain up to like 10 or 20. I like to put mine like at 15 just to keep it even. And then yeah, that's basically it, guys. Like, that's how you get good vocals. And here you go. If you guys want to hear like a sample of my new song that I'm making, here it is. You're talking, I'm trying, we're saving time, me, oh hide me, protection, my friend. Make a wish, make a fist, want some koi fish, shooting star, where you at, brothers? I ain't fall, yeah, I ain't tryna ball, yeah, that's my water bottle, yeah, my lips will stay. Anyways, there you go.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.